Hi there, Alec from Vacuum Spot here. Today I'm going to do a really quick repair, or hope it is, on a Windsor sensor. Basically this machine came in because anytime the cord was jiggled, the machine would cut in and out, and now it won't work at all. So these are a bit unique in that you've got an option here where you can just push that up and then your entire handle comes out. That's going to make it super easy for our repair. Let's move that out of the way. What we need to do here is we want to get at this section in here. So we're just going to undo our screw in here. And pull this out a little way and then wiggle this bit and our whole handle comes up. Now, what I like to do is leave that as is, checking that you're unplugged at your power point, cut that off, and now we're going to rethread the new cord inside here. Now I actually have already soldered the ends of this because it makes a much better, stronger fitting. So I'm going to push that through. So now it's a simple matter of just exactly copying what we had going on here. So again, we'll get our screwdriver, and what happens, this goes in and under a cord clamp, and then it jumps up and around into the switch proper. So I'll just take that off. Okay. Just a little bit more on this one. Okay, now what we can do here, we can actually move this out of the way while we fit our new cord inside there, and then we'll add the cord clamp on in a moment. So I'm going to take off our blue side first, that way we won't make any mistakes. So that side comes out and this one goes in. Left this a little bit too long, so I'll just cut those, just trim them up a little. That's perfect. Okay, now a little screw goes back in. Now push it down firmly, but not so tight that you're going to actually sever the lead itself. Now we're going to undo this one, and again feed in the new. Now the reason this happens so much is because people tend to do the vacuuming the same way, and what they'll find is that without meaning to, you push right to the very end and so the cord constantly gets pulled. Now your Windsors are a really well made little machine, but still they don't like the cords being tugged on. I'm going to have to take a little bit of extra off this sheath. Just very carefully so that we don't split the cord inside. Okay, if you make the slightest bit of a nick into the coloured cords inside, you really have to cut it all off and start again. You don't want to have unprotected cords inside your vacuum. Okay. Okay, so now that's got a spot for our little cords sitting there, and we need to just re-screw our clamp down. Okay, so now we've got that located. Let's just thread this down. What we're going to do is just put the end in there as we close that up. Now of course we're going to have to do the screw back in. Okay, get rid of our old cord. Okay, put this back into its spot and give it a little test. That's another simple repair from Alec at Vacuum Spot.